Alright guys, so back at the 180 build, and we're just doing the battery relocate right now. I think this one's flat, so I brought another one anyway because I just want to test it and see if the engine runs, and just get some cool noises before I go rebuild it. Make sure I definitely know that it's a spun bearing. So I've just haven't hooked it up yet because I'm just thought I'd film video of the car in case I've done something wrong and it catches on fire. Because so this will be the last video. So that'll be going on shortly after this video, and I've just run it all the way down here, just under there. It's just a pretty quick job through the firewall. I'll probably end up running it, through the fender and up through here, but for now it's just through the firewall, through the old AC unit, all the way around. Just hooked it around, and then I've just chucked it under that. As you can see there, it's a bit hey going, but hooked it up under there. And then I just got over here where the stock battery used to sit here, but obviously we've got a big intercooler piping. This is ugly, got to get rid of this soon, but it's on there for a reason, so I'm just going to leave it on there until I do the rebuild. So yeah, I've just hooked it up into here. This is just the old battery terminal on this one, and so I just hooked it in and screwed it down using an eyelet. And so this one's my so we got the electric fan here, electric fan, fuse box, starter motor cables going into there. And what have we got here? Just another fuse box. So yeah, so now I'm gonna put it on, and hopefully she starts and doesn't catch on fire. Here we go, boys. It fucking runs, mate. She fucking runs. She fucking runs. Alright, here's the noise. So we've got all our things hooked up. Everything's running nicely. Lovely. Let's just go to the rear real quick. Yep, we just got that battery set up there, no sparks, which is good. I haven't tightened it down yet because I just wanted it to start. So that sounds good. Let's get in here. I don't think I've hooked boost gauge up. Nah, need to hook that up to power still. But I think it's spun a bearing, so we'll listen. Oh, that turbo. Oh, that turbo noise. It's running good. I can't quite hear the bearing anymore. Oh, that's sick. I'm tempted as to take it for a drive. Very tempted. So that's good. I'll just check this. That seems alright. Bit of smoke smell, but I think that's just a little bit of oil leak and stuff. Let's make sure we haven't blown a head gasket. No, we're still good. We're still good. Maybe I'll set up a camera there, mate, for you. Here we go. Get some nice noise from it. fully sick noises. Fully sick noises. At low RPMs, it's a bit rough. Just see what the going here, mate, for the first time. See if the dash is connected. Oh, yeah. So what are we idling at? Pretty low, about 400. It's pretty impressive, really. Ooh. Sounds so good, mate. So good. So fucking good. Alright, we'll get some mad turbo noises for you. Mad turbo noises. Mad noises. Alright, we might take it for a drive. Alright, we're in here, mate. Might take it for a quick drive. Fully sick. Shit, we're moving, mate. We're bloody moving. Shit, we got no power steering though. Shit, we're going. Sorry boys, I don't know if you can see, but there's a couple of skiddy marks. So, yeah. Yeah, the old bloody car works, mate. Fucking fully keen. Did some skids, pretty fun. Which